phonetics. Now we're going to build out the water tower, which is really going to be cool. So I'm going to put this 2x2 gray on this circle block. Then I'm going to take these, which are kind of cool looking, and put them like this. Oops. Click, click. Excuse me. And then I'm going to go with these 2x2s on the outside here. And this is actually being really thought out and put together well. So this is the base of the water tower. And it'll sit on top of legs. Okay, so now I want to put this piece in here like that. You can see how it goes in there, just like that. I'm going to take this and put it here. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it here, just like that. Okay. I'm going to put this down for a minute because I've got to build this. And these are basically what you want to have. They're called snots, and they're on two sides. They have snots. If I can get this close enough to the camera, you can see what I'm talking about. So see how it has these snots on the side, there and there. So that's what you're going to want to do, is you're building this out to where it has all the studs put together like, come on Philip, work your fingers. There we go. Like that. Okay, just like that. Then you're going to take the other three and put them on like this. Okay, and then you're going to take this part and put it on just like that. And there you go. It's actually going to look like this. You know? Okay, so now this is going to get cool because I have these. And these have to face down. So when you're putting them on here, make sure you're facing them down like this. Okay, and we're doing this for a reason. You're about to see why in a minute, which is really cool. The way that they thought of this. I'm thinking, that is kind of clever. Okay, so you take these, which are cool. I think you can make motorcycle stuff out of them. I've seen them in different applicators. So what somebody did was they thought it would be cool, as you can see, to put the leg out. But you had to figure out how to get this thing inside of that. And this part here also. So it all pops together. And just like that, we're building the water tower legs. Now, hold on a second, because I'm going to lay this down so you can see it. You can study that. That looks really neat. Okay, so I'm going to have to go get some more parts. You'll see in a minute what I'm going to do. And I've got some stickers to put on there, and then this thing. This will actually sit here, like this. Okay? So that's where the tower is going to sit, is in this little area here. All right, so I will like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in the next video.